shed. Today, we're going to be building a canopy for the back of the cruiser. A 79 series cruiser here. It's me brother and sister-in-laws, and they're wanting a canopy for the back for a bit of camping. So we're going to go start our job back here. Being a dual cab, tray's nice and short, so we're looking at building something about the same shape as our front board, and high enough for them, chuck the rooftop tent, a few doors on the side, fridge, whatnot inside it, power panel, things like that. So let's get to work. Right, these are measurements outside. Just drawn up a quick sketch just so it's on paper so you know what we're up to. 1600, we're going by 1760. And some braces in the middle. That'll give us support for the boards that we put in after, which will be a 12mm marine ply or something along those lines. Then everything obviously stays inside when you lift it off the back of the ute. So now we'll make up a cut list and we'll get to cutting all these parts out and welding them up. So you just seen us quickly knock the frame up and we've brought it out here for a bit of a test fit. Make sure we've got adequate gaps, we're nice and square, it's not going to have any issues fitting it in here because obviously once you've got lifted off the car it's very hard to get the car in a dead position to drop this thing in. So we've given ourselves 10mm gap either side. Once that tyre comes off the front, comes to the back, this frame will go right forward. The tyre will have a good 200mm to sit on, plenty of support for what it's going to ever do. So now that we've confirmed that, we can go back inside, start putting some more bracing into it, welding it out completely, and we'll keep moving from there.
Oh, bucket, wrist bucket! I was bouncing it off the edge.
Yeah, June, on the board. Keeping shit out of our way as we go.
No, that's how you do measurement.
That's not the right measurement. So we'll put them all away.
Pen and draw and bloody camera.
As you just seen, we put the frame together. Try to make it square and vertical and all the rest of it. Now we've got to put some bars from this side to that side over there, so that we can put some structure in the roof. This will have a rooftop tent on it, so we're going to end up putting some vertical bars in from here straight down to the floor, so that we can support the weight onto the tray of the ute, not trying to support it through this frame. Let's get to it. Righto, what you've seen us do is put the frame together. It's starting to look like a finished product for the framework. What we're doing now is putting some bars across the top to support a roof rack type structure, so that we can put the rooftop canopy on top. That just bolts on a couple of clamps around the bar. So we're getting some bars in here, some supports to put the force down to the tray rather than bend the roof. And yeah, we'll just keep plodding along. Soon we'll be onto our door frames and door jambs. And yeah, we'll just keep plodding along. Keep you posted every now and again and let you know what we're up to. We've got all the frame welded out, well, tacked up at the moment. Thought we'd bring it out and chuck it on the ute, just to make sure our fitment's going pretty good. As you can see, it looks pretty good on the ute. Follows a nice shape of the headboard. Quite happy with it actually. We're just going to throw the tyre up, have a bit of a look where that's going to sit, and figure out how we're going to mount that to the back. That's just going to sit right there, like factory. We left 200mm there, as I said before, for it to sit on. These sides will come off while they're using the camper bay top, so all fits quite a nice little package actually. Yeah, we'll get this thing back off, burn a heap of welds on it I think. So we've got the frame back inside, we've just been busily welding away, knocking out all the joints now. The frame itself is finished, all apart from a couple of pieces that we'll put down low for the jacks to lift it off the back of the ute. Other than that, we're just going to weld it all out now, and we'll probably leave this video here and we'll catch up with the next part very soon.